Today's weather is sponsored by Expressway, Car Wash, Lube, and Deli, located in Paducah, Kentucky on Park Avenue, second location on Irving Cobb Drive, south side of Paducah. They are open today. If you need your car washed, head on over there. With the strong gusty winds, shouldn't take long to dry it off. Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It is March 22nd, 2016, and we've got a windy day ahead of us. We've got a wind advisory in effect for late this morning into this evening. The wind advisory currently is supposed to expire around 7 p.m., but we may have gusty winds well into the night. Expect widespread 20 to 35 mile per hour winds today with gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour possible. This is the wind advisory area. This tan area extends across parts of central Illinois, southern Illinois, west Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, most of southeast Missouri, the Boot Heel, into Arkansas and Mississippi. Windy day ahead of us. We've had a lot of wind over the last few months. This will be just another wind event for us with gusts above 40 miles per hour. Let's take a look at the animation here of wind speeds anticipated. These are gusts over the next 12 to 24 hours. We put this in motion. We'll start over there today. You see winds into the 40s, and then this evening you even see some 50 mile per hour wind gusts. This is one model's opinion on how high the winds will become. In the past, this model has verified fairly well. So expect at least gusts into the 40s today, and would not surprise me if we have some gusts into the 50s. You see these lines, these are isobars, equal lines of pressure. The more tightly packed those isobars are, usually the stronger winds we have. We have high pressure to our south, low pressure, deep low pressure developing to our northwest. That puts us in the middle of a bit of a squeeze play. Tight isobars equal gusty winds, and we will certainly have spring gusty winds today. We do have a weather system to monitor over the next 24 hours that should bring us some rain by Wednesday night into Thursday. Let's take a look at our radar right now. We don't have any precipitation in our area. Temperatures as of 8:30 have risen into the 40s, even some lower 50s showing up. We will warm today into the 60s. It will feel much better than the last 2 days. Even though we have strong and gusty winds, it will be quite warm today with above normal temperatures. I think we can all appreciate that after our recent cold snap. Now, as I mentioned, we do have a weather maker moving our way. A deep area of low pressure is forecast to develop over the central plains over the next 12 to 24 hours, and that low is going to track into northern Missouri, northern Illinois. That puts us on the warm side of the system. That means showers and thunderstorms. Remember that low pressure rotates counterclockwise. As long as we're on the south and east side of that low, we'll be on the southerly flow, which brings warm, moist air into our region. The backside of the low, if you remember from the winter months, that's where you want to be if you want to have snow, and there will be copious amounts of snow with this system well to our north. Would not even surprise me if there was a blizzard warning with this system, as it is expected to deepen fairly rapidly. Let's take a look at that system. This is the NAM model from weatherbell.com. You can see this is precipitation. We'll stop it here on Wednesday. We may see some scattered light showers. There you see some green dots over our area. Maybe some light rain on Wednesday, but the bulk of the rain is going to be along the cold front. And here comes that front Wednesday night, Thursday morning, probably late Wednesday night for most of us. Thursday morning is when the main line of precipitation will push through our area, perhaps between 11 p.m. and let's say 8 a.m., 9 a.m., first exiting our western counties and then exiting our eastern counties. We'll put it in motion one more time, and we see here on Wednesday clouds increase. We see some green dots show up during the day on Wednesday. Those green dots are light rain, maybe some drizzle, but watch out to the west as the main line pushes into our area late Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Could even be some strong thunderstorms with gusty winds and small hail. Severe weather risk isn't zero, but it's not great either. There we go. We see late Wednesday night, you see the reds, those are thunderstorms, and then it all pushes off to the east during probably before 1 p.m. on Thursday for most of us, ending from west to east. At a first end over southeast Missouri, it will end last over the Pennyroyal area. So between 11 p.m. Wednesday night and let's say 9 a.m. on Thursday morning is when the bulk of the precipitation is forecast to fall for most of us, again ending last over our eastern counties, the Pennyroyal area. Here we are. Let's look at that graphic one more time. There's the reds. That's late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. That's the squall line along the cold front. That's the NAM model. Let's take a look at the GFS and watch this deep area of low pressure develop over Kansas and move into northern Missouri, northern Illinois. Tightly packed low isobars there, deep low pressure, very heavy snow on the backside of it, showers and thunderstorms into our area, gusty winds with it as well. You can see all that pushes off to the east during the day on Thursday as the area of low pressure pulls off to the northeast. Then we move ahead to the weekend and we see another system develop here on Sunday, and we may have to deal with some showers during Easter Sunday. We'll keep an eye on that. Maybe let's put it at a 40 to 50% chance right now. Probably dry Friday and Saturday, and then Easter Sunday, perhaps some more precipitation. We'll put that in motion one more time. There's the deep area of low, moves across northern Missouri into northern Illinois, wraps the snow around the backside, rain for us and thunderstorms late Wednesday night, Thursday morning, then the low pulls off to the east. Take a look at the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. They have outlined our area in a marginal risk for perhaps a couple of strong thunderstorms. I can't rule out a severe thunderstorm, but the best chance for severe weather probably going to be over southwest, south central Missouri, back into Arkansas and northeast Texas. And then that's a slight risk area in yellow, and then a lesser risk in that dark green. Marginal risk is what they call it. A small risk for a few thunderstorms to be severe, more likely strong thunderstorms with gusty winds and maybe some small hail. A severe thunderstorm has to have 58 mile per hour winds, 1 inch hail or greater, and or tornadoes. So small risk for severe weather, perhaps some strong and gusty thunderstorms. The best chance of that would be after midnight on Wednesday into early Thursday morning. Let's take a look at the severe weather outlook for Thursday. As the system pulls away, you can see the dark green shifts to our east, Pennyroyal area of West Kentucky. This is from 7 a.m. onward on Thursday. And then as the front sweeps eastward, the severe weather risk will go with it. So small chance of some strong severe thunderstorms. Not expecting a lot in the way of severe weather from the system. But as always, we'll keep an eye on it. Let's take a look at the forecast for the rest of today. It will be partly sunny skies, quite a bit of sun out there right now, maybe a mix of sun and clouds, highs in the mid to upper 60s with strong and gusty winds, a wind advisory in effect. Wind gusts 30, 40, 50 miles per hour will be possible out of the south and southwest. Pull ahead to tonight. It will continue to be windy and mild. Lows only in the 50s tonight with those strong southerly winds. Also an increase in clouds tonight, mild southwest winds 10 to 25 miles per hour. We move ahead to Wednesday. It'll be mostly cloudy skies is what I'm anticipating right now. Maybe a scattered light rain shower, some drizzle. It will be windy again with southwest winds at 10 to 25 miles per hour. The bulk of the rain arrives Wednesday night, late into Thursday morning, probably clearing out of here Thursday afternoon. It'll probably be dry Friday and Saturday. Sunday we'll be watching another weather system for Easter Sunday with maybe some clouds, maybe some showers. We'll put that at a 40-50% chance right now for Sunday, and then dry again by Monday. Have a great day.